Tenses are the most important part of grammar. So today we shall do tenses. What are tenses? Tenses are the forms taken by a verb to show the time of action or the state of an event. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each of three tenses has four forms or subdivisions to show continuity or completeness of the action and time. These are indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. First one is simple present tense, and the structure is subject plus V1 plus object. Simple present tense is used to describe a habitual action. For example, Rohan gets up early in the morning, then he goes for a long walk. It is used to express a general, universal, or scientific truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. Water evaporates when it boils. The truth fears no examination. It is used to express a fact which is true at the time of speaking. For example, the express train does not stop at this station. It is true at the time of speaking. It is used to describe running commentaries. For example, Sahil passes the ball to Vinay and he hits it into the goal. In simple present tense, we use s or es with singular things and first form with plural things. Like in affirmative sentences, she plays, they play. In negative sentences, she does not play, they do not play. In interrogative sentences, does she play, do they play? And in negative interrogative sentences, does she not play, do they not play? Next is simple past tense, and the structure is subject plus V2 means second form of the verb plus object. It is used to express an action completed in the definite past. For example, I came to this city in 1985. At that time, it was a calm area. It is used to express a past habit. For example, when I was at Hisar, I always got up at 5 in the morning and went for a walk. It is used to express an action which continued for some time in the past. For example, he climbed the stairs slowly. In affirmative sentence, they played a game. Negative sentence, they did not play a game. In interrogative sentence, did they play a game? Negative interrogative sentence, did they not play a game? Next is simple future tense, and the structure is subject plus will or shall plus V1 means first form of the verb plus object. It is used to show future. For example, he will go to Mumbai next week. Simple future tense is used to express the speaker's opinions or assumptions about the future. For example, we hope that Rohan will get first position. Sometimes it is used to show habitual actions or general truths. For example, he will always tell lies, and a dog's tail will remain crooked. In affirmative sentence, they will play a game. In negative sentence, they will not play a game. In interrogative sentence, will they play a game? In negative interrogative sentence, will they not play a game?